Testing orchestration workflows traditionally means running against live systems or spending time manually creating stub tasks with mock data for every test scenario. Canvas Debug Mode in Itential Platform 6.1 eliminates this friction. Let me show you how to test workflows in minutes without touching live systems. From any workflow in Platform 6.1 Studio, click Debug in the title bar. The yellow border indicates you're now in Canvas Debug Mode, where you can simulate workflow execution without impacting live systems. I'll create a test scenario by clicking the plus button and selecting New Blank Scenario. I will call this new scenario Happy Path. For this workflow that assigns an IP from Netbox and then runs port turnup against the device, I'll mock two child job tasks as well as provide job variables. I select the first child job task to assign next IP in Netbox. Click on the plus icon, create new mock data, and define the mock response. I set the transition type to success and provide realistic JSON output matching what Netbox will return. I provide as well a name for this mock data. I'll do the same for the port turnup child job task. Again, I provide JSON response, and I'll set the transition type to success. Note, you could set this to failure or error as well. Finally, I set the job variables that will be used at runtime. Now I'll click Run Scenario. The debug job launches in Operations Manager with mock tasks marked by yellow beaker icons. With Canvas Debug Mode, you can create multiple scenarios to test success paths, error conditions, and edge cases, all without live system access. This means faster development, reduced risk, and confidence before production deployment. Try out Canvas Debug Mode today in Itential Platform 6.1.